Hi there and welcome to video 4 of 7 for your video training course on how to make money on Clickbank. In this video, you're going to learn how to set everything up so you can start making money. First, let's get started with creating your Clickbank account. Let me show you what to do. Simply go to www.clickbank.com, and once you're here, you want to find the area where you can sign up as an affiliate. Now, at the time of making this video, that area is in the center of the homepage, and you just want to find the sign up link and hit sign up. It's going to take you to the sign up form. Now, this is completely free to sign up as an affiliate, and you can do this virtually anywhere in the world. All you have to do is choose your country from the drop-down list and make sure you go through and fill out all of the fields that are definitely marked with a red asterisk or a red star, and make sure that information is filled out correctly. And the reason for that is because when you start making sales as an affiliate on Clickbank, this is going to be the information they use to actually send you the checks or send you the wire transfers, depending on however you like your form of payment. And then once you scroll all the way to the bottom of the form, the last area that you need to fill out is going to be your account nickname. Now, this is very important that you choose an account nickname that is unique for you. Now, there can't be two of the same account nicknames on Clickbank, so if you put something in and it says it's already taken, don't be alarmed, just come up with something else. But it's important to know that this account nickname is actually going to show up. Let's say you're going to promote a product on Clickbank. When somebody gets to the checkout form, your account nickname will show at the very bottom of the checkout. So keep in mind that that's where it's going to be. So if you actually want to use your first and last name, know that that's going to be at the bottom of every checkout form that you send traffic to. So you could go ahead and do something knowing that's going to be on a checkout form. You could do type in something like secure pay 1, 2, 3, or since there's only 5 to 10 letters and digits, it would just be, let's say, secure pay 1 or secure pay 2. You could use something like that where if someone does see that, scroll the bottom of a checkout form and they see your account nickname, then it just feels more secure. So again, don't put in your first and last name if you don't want to show up, but just know that's where it's going to be. And this is also going to be your login to your login or /username for every time you log into your Clickbank account to look at your stats. So it's very important to understand all that about the account nickname. Then once you're done filling that out, you just agree to the terms, and you just, once you click on that, then you just hit submit, and then that's all that you need to actually get your Clickbank account. After you created your Clickbank affiliate account, now it's time to brainstorm and register your domain name. Now, this is a very crucial step that you do not want to skip, so please pay very close attention and just follow along. There is an incredible free tool that I like to use and recommend called Domize, and to get here, all you have to do is go to www.domize.com, and once you're here, it's a very simple tool that you can use to brainstorm and register a domain name very quickly. And just to show you how I personally use it and how I'd like to recommend you use it, is you just start typing in the box whatever you can come up with for a domain name and see if it's available. Now, there's some rules that I like to follow when I come up with a domain name. Is I like to, if I'm going to be promoting a product as an affiliate, I like to always come up with a name that's either catchy, that is only like 1 or 2 words, or you can even make up your own word, or you can actually use the name of whatever product it is you're trying to promote. So to go ahead and just start off, if we jump back over to the Clickbank Marketplace and you just want to choose a product to promote, like let's say if you promoted Millionaire Society, you could actually copy just the name Millionaire Society as long as it's not trademark, which most of these names that are on Clickbank and businesses on Clickbank don't have trademarks or copyrights just on the name themselves. So you can take the name, and obviously if you put it in Domize, it's going to tell you immediately if the domain extensions are available or not. So if it shows up in red, it means that it's taken. So like you can see the .com is taken, the .net is taken, the .org, the .biz, .us is not, but I always like to recommend sticking with only a .com. And the reason for that is everyone's familiar with .coms, and if you have a domain like millionairesociety.us, if someone sees that probably on your promotions, whether it be on Facebook or Twitter, probably not going to click on because they just don't know what that is. But .coms, they know what a .com is. So especially if you're trying to promote to the masses. So millionairesociety.com is obviously taken. But if you do something like Millionaire Society, you could do Millionaire Society Global, and that's taken. But you notice as I was typing, it's immediately going to show me if it's available or not. So you don't have to go to a place like GoDaddy and keep typing in ideas and waiting for the responses to show up. So you could just take away global and type in, like, let's say Millionaire Society Nation. And I'm just coming up with words that I could attach to the end of it that would still be a good catchy domain name. So Millionaire Society Nation at the time of making this video is available. So you could actually click on this .com and you can see you can register it for all those different prices at the different websites. So you can see you could get for $7.49 for 1 year at GoDaddy, which is incredibly cheap considering this is really the only type of this is the only big expense that you're going to have promoting as an affiliate. Because with promoting products as an affiliate, if we go back to the previous videos, like video 1 in this series, when you promote products as an affiliate, you don't have any expenses. I mean, other than getting, let's say, domain name like this, then you'll set up domain forwarding, which I'll talk about in just a minute. And so if someone went to millionairesocietynation.com, you would set up domain forwarding where it would immediately route people through your affiliate link on Clickbank and then land on the pitch page for Millionaire Society. And if anyone joins, then you get your credit, your commission through Millionaire Society. So that's how you could use Domize. Now, just to have some fun with this, let's say you don't want to use the name Millionaire Society. Let's say you want to maybe rotate offers and promote a lot of different products, which is perfectly fine, especially if you're trying out a lot of different things. So you want something more general. Well, but you don't know where to come up with, not even where to start with your naming. Well, there's a cool website that I like to recommend called Go, like Go, the number 2, web20.net, and it's just go to web2.0.net is kind of what it stands for. And this is a directory of all the latest type of websites that are coming on onto the internet that are just very catchy, short little websites. And they have, what's neat about this is it shows you all of the names and their logo. So you can come up with just ideas for prefixes or suffixes just by scanning around on this database. So like, punch fork, so you could use punch, let's say, just for something catchy. Let's see, you could type in income punch. And you can see, well, incomepunch.com is in red, so it is not available. You could do, let's say, money punch. Nope, you could get moneypunch.net because that's in blue. How about cash punch? Nope. So maybe punch isn't a good one. So let's go back to the list here and let's see. We're just going to scroll down. And here's one called Bug Rocket. So I like the name Rocket. It's short and simple. And you could maybe, again, if you want to do something that's money related because you want to rotate offers that are money related or, in the make money space, you could do, let's say, Income Rocket. And I'm glad I showed this because I can show you when you see this in green, if you move your mouse over it, that means that someone owns it, but you could actually buy it from them. Usually, you're spend over $1,000 if you want to acquire an existing name. That's just kind of what the rate is for, short, just 2-word names like dictionary term names. So, if it's green, you can just kind of skip over it. I just wanted to show you if you could acquire it if you wanted to. But let's say Income Rocket is taken, but we could do Income Rockets. And you can see at the time of this video, it's actually in blue. So that means you could register this name, incomerockets.com, and then you could go and do your Facebook promotions or YouTube promotions or Twitter promotions, and you would set up domain forwarding to where if someone came to incomerockets.com, it would immediately take them to wherever you want them to go to for a final destination, and that would be through your Clickbank hop link. So that is, that's how you would actually set all this up. And just to show you how you would even get your hop link for the domain forwarding, if you go back over to the marketplace and choose whatever product it is you want to promote. Let's say if it is Millionaire Society, or it can be any one of the 2,600 products on Clickbank, just an e-business, you would hit the promote button, and then it's going to pop up a box asking for your account nickname. I'll get this in view here. And all you would do is put in your account nickname. So you could do, I was putting a bunch of random numbers or letters. And then you just hit create. And then, oh, well, that nickname's invalid. So let's just do TomTom123 and hit create. And you can see this link is the link that you want to send people to if you want to get credit for any signups to that product, the Millionaire Society. So obviously you don't want to send people to just this link on Facebook because it just looks kind of weird. No one's going to want to click on that. Why would they? The reason it looks weird like that is because Clickbank actually coded it so that nobody can copy your links or try to steal your commissions or anything like that. So you would just copy this link and save it, and you would use that for your domain forwarding, which we'll get to in just a moment as far as how to set that up. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of show you how to get that, because when you're trying to come up with these names like Income Rockets, instead of someone going to that ugly URL, then they would go to incomerockets.com again. It would forward through on that the Clickbank hop link that you got. So that is how you would actually set up or brainstorm. This is it's just an amazing way to brainstorm, is using this Domi service. And then to register your domain, you would just move your mouse over it and click on it, and it will take you to all the different options as far as registering. Now, before you would actually register your name, if you want to save some money, you could go to any search engine and type in like GoDaddy coupon codes, and then you'll find websites where you can actually get coupon codes where, you could save $10 off an order, of $20 or $30 or more, or you could just get 10% off. There's coupon codes all over the internet. So make sure you grab a coupon code before you register your name, because you'll save some money. So that is how you would actually get going with brainstorming and registering your domain name. Last is to set up domain forwarding on your new domain name. Now, before you do this, make sure you have decided on what your first product is that you want to promote on the Clickbank Marketplace as an affiliate. Then you go get your hop link, like I just showed you. Is just all you have to do is click on that green promote button on whatever listing it is on the marketplace you want to promote, and then you want to grab that link, the really long, ugly one, so you can use that for domain forwarding. Now, let me go ahead and show you how to figure out how to set up domain forwarding on your registrar service. Now, there are thousands of domain registrars out there that you could potentially go and register your domain for. So rather than me showing you how to set up domain forwarding on the thousands of services, I'm going to show you how to find exactly how to set up domain forwarding for your specific registrar, because I could show you how to do it for GoDaddy, but you may not be using GoDaddy. You may be using some other service that I've never used. So to show you how to find out how to set up domain forwarding if you've never done it, is to go to what your favorite search engine, I use Bing, and type in how to set up domain forwarding on, and then put in whatever service it is that you use to set up your domains on. So if it was GoDaddy, you would say GoDaddy. And then what you want to do is look at the search results and find the search result where there's a listing that's actually at that service. So for instance, the very first listing here is at help.godaddy.com. So I know that this is, GoDaddy's help desk and showing you how to do it. Now you could, go to the help desk or contact on live chat, at your service, whatever you use. That's another way of doing it. But I like to use the search engines a lot. So this is how I would find that information. I would click on the listing, and it will take me directly to GoDaddy's Help Center, and it will show me step by step how to add, set up domain forwarding and manage subdomains and so forth. So, if that didn't help you, you can, like I said, you can see at the very top here, there's technical support. You can actually contact their email support, and a lot of these even have live chat support. So if you can't figure out how to do it yourself, then by all means contact their support. Now, the only reason I'm showing you how to do this, and again, I'm not doing it myself on GoDaddy because I don't want to waste your time, show you how to do it on one service and that not be the service that you have. So again, let's say if it's Network Solutions. Let's say you have a Network Solutions, you would just type in how to set up domain forwarding on Network Solutions. And then you can see the very first one is domain forwarding to redirect to your domain name, and it's on Network Solutions. Looks like their help area, and you could just click on that, and it'll take you, and you'll see step by step how to do it on Network Solutions. So that's how it works. And again, the whole reason you want to set up domain forwarding is because when you come again to, let's say, Clickbank, and you want to find a product to promote, and you hit promote, and then you put in your account nickname, you're going to have this ugly link, and you do not want to send people to this link as an affiliate, because a lot of people are going to see that link and not want to click on it. You also don't want to use like a link shortening service either, because a lot of places use, like Facebook and such, usually ban and prevent from link shortening services to even show the links to even show up on Facebook posts and status updates and such. So that's why you want to set up your own domain name. And then when you would set up forum signatures or wherever you want to promote your domain, instead of having this ugly thing, you're actually setting up domain forwarding on a nice, clean, simple domain that I just previously showed you how to brainstorm and find those type of names, so that you'll be set. Now you know everything you need to get started with making money on Clickbank as an affiliate. So let's go ahead and move on to video 5 of 7 in this course, where you will discover how to reverse engineer the millionaire marketers so that you can go ahead and skip all the trial and error that prevent affiliates from making money on Clickbank. I'll see you there.